In this video, I'm taking a look at the new Flashforge Creator 5, a multi-tool head 3D printer with 4 heads, each of which can be loaded with a different filament, whether that be colour or material. According to Flashforge, it's a zero waste machine. If you have experience with an AMS system, you'll know what I'm referring to, a huge amount of purge waste and common filament jams. A multi-head tool system can significantly improve the success rate and speed of multi-material 3D printing, as no purge is necessary. For transparency, Flashforge supplied the machine for testing, but this is not a sponsored video, and I'm not being paid to say anything positive or negative about it. So first of all, the assembly is quite simple and straightforward. Attach the screen, nozzle blockers, followed by installing the extruder dock itself. Mount the extruders into position, remove the transport screws, and install the spool holders. So with the tests, I started with the preloaded multicolour Benchy print, and this is where you see how the machine really works. Because the Creator 5 uses 4 independent tool heads, rather than colour swapping for a single nozzle, waste is near zero, but not completely zero. What you're left with is the initial purge from the nozzles that are going to be used before printing starts, and the prime tower, which is present with all multi-filament systems. The final result came out really clean. To push things a little bit further, I printed a 4-colour Fox model. Straight away, the efficiency over a single nozzle system was obvious. The result was straight out the box without any setting tweaks. There is some stringing on the white, but I'm putting this down to filament that needs drying. Once cleaned up with a quick brush, I was happy with the results. I also ran a larger 4-hour single filament batch print, and the results were consistently good across all. Another test involved black PLA alongside a lighter colour material. Everything came out clean and defined with no obvious issues. So for the features and specifications for this model, it offers a build volume of 256 by 256 by 256 mm, providing a cubic area for a wide range of projects. Printer features a maximum Hotend temperature of 320 degrees Celsius and a heated bed capable of reaching 120 degrees. For speed, the Creator 5 is rated for print speeds up to 300 mm per second, with accelerations of up to 30,000 mm per second squared. It has automatic bed leveling and automatic pressure advanced calibration. It supports 0.25, 0.4, 0.6 and 0.8 mm nozzle sizes. It has an integrated camera. Connectivity options include USB and dual band Wi-Fi support. I tried both, connecting directly to the printer over Wi-Fi LAN only and through signing up to access it via the cloud. I found direct to printer the quickest and most stablest, as I experienced trouble on some days getting the cloud connection to see my printer, where via the LAN only option rarely had an issue. So for the security conscious, this is a great option. The Creator 5 uses an open frame design and combines these features into a compact desktop machine. Full details can be found on Flashforge's website, which I've linked in below in the description. Final thoughts, overall the Creator 5 has been impressive so far. Material efficiency has been one of the biggest advantages, and so far reliability has been solid. For anyone producing a lot of multicolour work or multi-filament, this could make a noticeable difference over time. If you're interested in the Creator 5, please check out the links in the description of this video for further details. A big thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this review.